Hello, today we are going to be doing an experiment on Newton's second law of motion. So here are some guide questions to help you understand the experiment better. What is Newton's second law of motion? What are the factors affecting the law? And how is the formula F equals to ma related to the law? So what is Newton's second law? The second law states that the acceleration of an object is dependent upon two variables, the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object, and that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting upon the object and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. So there are three factors affecting the law. Firstly is force, acceleration, and mass. Today, we're only going to be focusing on force and acceleration. Since we're only going to be focusing on those two, this is what we're going to expect. As the force acting upon the object is increased, the acceleration of the object is also increased. So these are the materials used in our experiment: a ruler, ball, rubber bands, and pens. We did our experiment 3 times with varying forces. So this is the data that we have collected from the experiment. So for trial 1, there was the least amount of force exerted onto the ball, leading to a low acceleration and the distance only being 7.6 cm. For trial 2, there was an average force exerted, leading to an average acceleration and the distance only being 17.8 cm. And for trial 3, there is the most amount of force exerted onto the ball, leading to a high acceleration and the distance being 55.8 cm. As shown in the video, the less force exerted onto the ball, the lesser the acceleration and the shorter the distance. Whereas the more the force is exerted onto the ball, the more the acceleration and the longer the distance. This is due to Newton's second law, where the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting upon the object.